जय हिंद एंड वेलकम बैक टू योर फेवरेट रियल एस्टेट चैनल रियलिटर्स नेक्स्ट डोर। हर बार की तरह इस बार फिर आपको एक बहुत सुंदर, नायाब, नेक और अच्छी प्रॉपर्टी भी लेके आए हैं। आप लोग सोच रहे होंगे ये नायाब और नेक हर प्रॉपर्टी के लिए बोलता है, बट दिस वन कम्स फ्रॉम माय फेवरेट बिल्डर इन गुड़गांव. This one is a 500 square yard floor that we are watching today. This is going to be a 4-bedroom, 5-washroom showcase. In this current building where I am standing in DLF Phase 2, we have the ground basement triplex unit, a simplex middle floor unit, and a top floor terrace unit available. The asking prices will only be unveiled over a call. Like I always tell you, go for builders who you can trust. This one comes from Vikas Builders, a company that has been stamping their authority in the construction business for over 40 years. Impeccable construction, great layouts. Something that you can't miss about them is their after sales service. जब दादा, पिता और पोता तीनों एक संगठन को चला रहे हों तो आप समझ नहीं सकते कि कितनी एथिकली और कितनी राइचियसली यहाँ पे काम होता है. So quickly now, let me start giving you the orientation of this house. This is a southeast facing plot. Your exit out of the house is northwest. As you enter in the front of the house, you saw your drawing area. This one becomes the drawing and dining. Along with that is your first bedroom, bedroom number 1. From bedroom number 2, you step out into the foyer, get into bedroom number 2. Bedroom number 2 has a lovely cupboard space in it. Hop out of bedroom number 2, come into your public foyer. That's your powder washroom. This reminds me of a hotel at the Taj in Dubai. Similar make, similar finishes. In the center of the house, step into what we call the family lounge. This can be your TV viewing area, your bar area, your library area, your celebrated dining area, whatever you may choose to make it. Along with that, in that corner is a lovely prayer space. Mandir banana chahe, mandir banaye, meditate karna chahe, meditate kare. In the back of the house, there are 2 bedrooms and there is the kitchen. We slide through into the kitchen. The kitchen currently is in an open structure but will be closed with a gate. You come into the kitchen has 2 pronounced sections. This one is the working section. You step back, you'll see the cleaning section. So there's a dry kitchen and there's a wet kitchen. 2 bedrooms in the front of the house, 2 right behind. Bedroom number 3, the only bedroom with engineered wood flooring. Great location, great work, guys. I'm lost for words. Come into bedroom number 4. This one is a large size bedroom. This has everything you're looking for in your master's bedroom. A great wardrobe, a bathtub, a sexy washroom, and a room that is spacious enough to accommodate more than a bed. Guys, builder flow खरीदते हैं आप लोग, हमारे पास आते हैं, हम आपको हमेशा बोलते हैं बजट है तो अच्छे बिल्डर का सामान लो, because after sale service is very, very critical. Now let me begin with giving you the dimensions of the living area. 16 feet in length, 29 feet in width. This becomes your formal drawing area and this section becomes your dining section. That is how it has been planned by the builder. A lot of people who seek privacy can get a door fixed in here. It will solve all the troubles, but I say keep it open. Let it stay the way that is. Cassette air conditioners by Daikin. As you can see, the ceiling height is about 10 feet clear. So the floor to ceiling height is 10 feet. Use of Italian marble, less is more is the design strategy. Look at how neatly they have done panelings on one side, because this is where you'd put your sofas, you can put in some artifacts. And then on the other side, you have 3 different style setups which are married into one design theme that is subtle, sober, and luxurious. This see-through wall that you have that overlooks into your family zone, that family lounge or your bar lounge or your play lounge, gives you a feeling of inclusivity whilst providing privacy as well. There are other creative ideas that can be used here and done in this space. The family lounge is about 16 feet wide and roughly 12 feet long. So 16 by 12 is the family lounge space. Throw in some sofas, some lazy boys, a humidor for your cigars, a small bookshelf and a banging television there. विराट कोहली और रोहित शर्मा वापस आ रहे हैं, यहीं देखना है उनको खेलते हुए, ठीक है? That's your मंदिर, 6 feet by 6 feet of space for the मंदिर. बैठ के पूजन हो सकता है, अपने इष्ट देवता स्थापित कर सकते हैं. Leading from this alley, you will see that there's a lift. This is for the basement triplex unit. Guys, यहाँ पे हमारे पास सारी units available हैं. DLF Phase 2 की location है. गुड़गांव के टॉप बिल्डर हैं, इनके बारे में आप पता कर सकते हैं. आई एम शूटिंग दिस हाउस क्विक अप बिकॉज आई वांट यू टू गेट अ स्कूप ऑफ द फाइनेस्ट इन्वेंट्री दैट कम्स आउट ऑफ दिस सिटी. एंड it is an endeavor to get you good houses. You know, if I had to bet on a builder for my life, it would be Ashish Gupta ji, who I would take a bet on. Come inside the kitchen. So 14 feet by 12 feet is your working kitchen. Again, all Italian marble, PU finished drawers, modular kitchen powered by Hafele. You have everything here: a microwave, a chimney, a hob, an oven, a beautiful sink with faucets that can do more than clean, you know, pressure clean is what I mean to say. And then this is what I really love about this kitchen is because whenever you have a kitchen where you're going to cook a lot of food, you'll always need a cleaning section that's as elaborate as this. This one becomes your service section. You can get your dishwasher placed here, your washing machine placed here. This is connected to the kitchen and connected to the balcony, so becomes the perfect spot where you need to do all your services from. Let me start your tour from the smallest room of the house so that as we keep going, we keep getting better. आप बोलोगे यार 500 square yard जैसे कैसे, but you know we'll end on a high note. तो बने रहिएगा यार वीडियो की एंड तक बिकॉज टेरेस यूनिट भी दिखा दूंगा अगर आप लोग बने रहेंगे तो. 11 by 14 is the room size. Bed comes here. There comes the TV. If you want more storage space, throw in a cupboard. Otherwise, the study table can be here. This can be your kids' room / your guest room. Come inside the washroom and have a look. There are 2 cupboards, leatherite finished cupboards, good heavy duty stuff placed in here. The sanitary ware is by Kola, all Italian marble washrooms, golden casing, nice shower cabinet, space to keep your toiletries, space to sit down after a long day if you want to have a nice steamy hot shower. Bedroom number 2, this is the vestibule area. Guys, a vestibule area can always be decorated with artifacts. Make your room your style statement. That's what I tell everybody when someone walks into your room. They must know what the identity of the room owner is. Look at this size. Isn't this brilliant? 14 by 21 is the size of this room, guys. Bed, side tables, additional space. Bed, side tables, additional space. Currently some construction work is going on. Opens up into the balcony. Super space. Super space मतलब study table लगाओ, settee लगाओ, additional cupboards बनाओ. Cupboards बनाने की ज़रूरत नहीं पड़ेगी, but even then, I know some of you are hoarders. This one is your walk-in wardrobe. Look at that. This is a thing of beauty. You finished cupboards हैं, सब कुछ दिया हुआ है इन cupboards में, you know, from spaces for your hangers to your shoes to your perfumes, your watches. There's every compartment here. Then you walk into this washroom and you feel that you are in the Oberoi's in Gurgaon, but you are not. You are in DLF Phase 2 in one of Vikas Builders. 500 square yard apartments. Look at this. Look at this. इसको देखो तो सही. Temperature controlled bathtub, lovely shower cabin, wet and dry areas cordoned off. Lovely faucet, lovely features, all Italian marble. What more do you want here? Houses like these will never let you miss hotels, you know. I started off my career as a hotel, and sometimes when I go into these houses with some good builders make, it blows my mind away with the kind of finesse that they use. Now, somewhere where we go wrong is when we put in our washrooms inside our cupboards. At Vikas Builders, you'll never see that because every house that they've been making for the last 40 years, they've been only getting better. Now, bedroom number 3 and then the final showcase, the monster bedroom. Bedroom number 3 dimensions, we have 18 feet by 12 feet. So 18 by 12. Velvet का आपका बेड बैग है, यहाँ लगेगा बिस्तर, सामने आएगा टीवी. You have ample spaces for putting up additional cupboards here, a settee here, a table here, a workstation here. anything that you like. And then what I love about Vikas Builders and what I was just telling you has been demonstrated in this room as well, where there is a walk-in wardrobe away from the washroom. यहाँ पे दरवाजा लग जाएगा, आपके कपड़ों में moisture नहीं जाएगा. Quickly have a look at the washroom and meet me in the final bedroom. These are two 500 square yard plots combined into one. With the plot prices not showing any signs of slowing down, I would recommend कि अगर आप बड़े घरों के बायर हैं तो इस घर को देखे बिना अपना डिसीजन मत लीजिएगा. 12 feet by 22 feet, 12 by 22, that's where the bed comes. सामने है TV and then you have 10 feet of space in the room where you can do as you like. Again, centrally air conditioned. Then you move into your walk-in wardrobe. यहाँ तो ऐसे लगता है कि ताज महल के अंदर आ गए हो यार, मैं सब संगे मरमरे सफेद. This is your walk-in wardrobe, and then for the final washroom. The final washroom is again a very elegant washroom. This comes with steam spa, sauna features. The wet and dry areas are separate. This one is built on a 502 square yard plot. It's a 4-bedroom, 5-washroom wonder in DLF Phase 2, Gurgaon. Very close to Delhi, very central to the markets, located close to the schools and all hospitals. If you are someone who wants to have quick access to the airport, this one is a house you just can't miss. Asking prices will be revealed over a call. This is Gurgaon's favorite realtor, Chetan Kaushal, saying Jai Hind and bye-bye for today.